a professional chef and a mom of a child who is on a special diet too. If you're on a diet low in protein, you already know that apples are a wonderful low protein snack. Today, we're gonna make an easy and delicious apple salad. I'm using Honeycrisp apples with this recipe because the balance of sweetness and tartness goes really well in this dish, but feel free to use any apple of your choice. Okay, we're gonna make our salad. This comes together very quick and easy. We have 2 cups of the Honeycrisp apple. Leave the skin on, adds a lot of extra nutrients. 2 cups sliced celery. We have 1/3 of a cup red onion sliced, and fresh parsley, 1/2 cup of fresh parsley. And then we're gonna add our olive oil and fresh squeezed lemon juice to finish it off. If you don't have lemon juice, you can always use another type of apple cider vinegar would be great, or any type of acid to kind of bring out the flavors. Gives it a nice balance of flavor. We'll add a little seasoning, some salt, and we're done. Very simple. Okay, so now we're gonna plate our apple salad. This is a great side dish and kid-friendly. I know my girls love apples. Get all of the good stuff in there, and if you'd like to garnish it with some fresh parsley, put a little bit of sprigs on top, and there you have it. For more low-protein recipes and tips, check out nutritionmetabolics.com.